As a pediatric and neonatal respiratory therapist, I want to tell you why I don't recommend cough medicine. Cough medicine can make your little one sleepy, jittery, and actually hide signs that they're struggling to breathe. You don't want to suppress that cough. A wet cough is better than a dry cough. Ways to support your little one is saline, humidification, suction, and a lot of fluids. You don't want to dry that cough. That cough can lead to so many complications such as pneumonia and an ER visit. Remember, coughing is a natural way of their bodies clearing their airway. Instead of suppressing it, support their breathing.